In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build your very first form in Typeform. So whether you're completely new to the platform or just brushing up on your skills, this guide will walk you through each step to get your form up and running. First things first, let's get you signed up or logged in. Head over to typeform.com. Once there, you can click on Sign Up to begin the registration process. You have the option to sign in using your Google or Microsoft account, which can simplify things if you're already logged into one of these services. Alternatively, you can choose to sign in using an email and password of your choice. If you opt for the email method, make sure you verify your email address. This step is crucial as it activates your account and ensures you can move forward seamlessly. With your account ready to go, it's time to create a new form. From within your Typeform workspace, you'll notice a +Create a New Form button. Give that a click. Now, you have a couple of options. You can either start from scratch for a fresh canvas or select an existing template to customize according to your needs. Templates can be a great time saver, especially if you're looking for something with a particular style or function. Once you've set the groundwork, you'll want to start adding questions. The drag-and-drop builder is intuitive and offers a variety of question types for you to incorporate. You can choose from short text, multiple choice, rating, file upload, date, and more. For each question, you'll have the ability to edit the prompt, decide if a question needs to be required, and even play with the field logic to make sure your form behaves exactly how you want it to. Next up, we have Design and Interactivity. Tap on the Design tab to give your form some personality. Here, you can select from different themes, fonts, colors, and backgrounds to match your brand or personal preference. If you want to add a layer of conditionality, head over to the Logic section. Conditional jumps allow certain questions to appear based on a respondent's previous answers, and segment branches can help tailor the form for different pathways. Before going live, it's essential to preview and test your form. Click on the Preview button. This lets you see how your form flows, looks, and functions both on desktop and mobile displays. Testing ensures there are no surprises once the form is in the hands of your audience. Feeling good about your form? Great! It's time to publish. Once you hit the Publish button, you'll have various sharing options. You can copy the form link, grab an embed code for websites, or share directly via email and social media. Finally, don't forget to track your responses. The Results tab is your go-to place for viewing individual answers and getting a broad look at summary analytics. For further use, you can export these responses as a CSV file or integrate them with other tools like Google Sheets, Zapier, or Slack. And that's it! You've successfully built your first form in Typeform. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Happy form building!